Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are doing well. Now I am going to teach English language. English language chapter 6. I already taught chapter 6 pronouns before the exam. I already taught chapter 6 pronouns. But now I am going to teach chapter 7 adjectives. Chapter 7 I already taught. Okay, now I am going to teach chapter 7 adjectives. Chapter 6 pronouns I already taught before the exam. Then now I am going to teach chapter 7 adjectives. Okay? Okay, all of you take your English language copy. Take your English language copy. Okay, write down the heading. Chapter 7 adjectives. Write down the heading. Chapter 7 adjectives. Then question number 1. What are adjectives? Question number 1. What are adjectives? Answer is adjectives are describing words. Adjectives are describing words. They tell us something about nouns. Adjectives are describing words. They tell us something about nouns. Example, the little girl has a red doll. Colors and numbers are also adjectives. See, colors and numbers are also adjectives. Example, I have 5 pencils. They are red and blue. Okay, colors and numbers also are adjectives. Example, I have 5 pencils. They are red and blue. Okay, all of you take your English language copy, write down the heading, then write the definition with the example also. Okay. Okay, take your English language book. Let's move the exercise. See, A. Circle the correct adjectives for the nouns in capital letters. Circle the correct adjectives for the nouns in capital letters. C. Circle small, brave, new, green, tiny. Circle the adjectives for the nouns in capital letters. Okay, this is the answer. Circle it. Okay. Then take page number 44. B. Underline the adjectives. Underline the adjectives. First, there is a deep well near our village. Underline deep. Second, the wide road leads to the airport. Wide is underlined. Then 3, the leopard has black spot. I repeat 3, the leopard has black spot. The leopard has black spot. Then 4, there are 40 children in class second A. 40 underline. Then 5, Journey loves hot coffee. Hot. 5, Granny loves hot coffee. Granny. Okay, then 6, can you climb a steep hill? Okay, steep. Then 7, I have yellow balloons. Underline yellow. 8, the river flows through the dense forest. Okay, answer is dense. Then understand all of you. Underline the adjectives. Which one? First one, second one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Okay. Then next, read the words given below. Circle their opposites in the words each. Write them on the blanks. See. Opposite words: strong, weak, long, short, empty, full, near, far, fat, thin, big, small, sad, happy, cold, hot, black, white, fast, slow. Understand all of you? This opposite words. Okay. Then next, Okay, then listen. This exercise is no need. Please cut it. This exercise. Okay, please cut it. Okay, no need. Then page number 46. Complete the paragraph with the adjectives from the box. Complete the paragraph with the adjectives from the box. Box it is long, yellow, tail, brown, short, soft. The giraffe is a tall animal. The giraffe is a tall animal. It has a long neck and a short tail. Its skin is yellow. It has brown spots on its body. It loves to eat soft leaves. Understand all of you? Then listen. F. Circle the correct adjectives in the bracket to complete the paragraph. Circle the correct adjectives in the brackets to complete the paragraph. See. The children worked on the circle. It is sandy beach. The warm sand felt good beneath their feet. Answer is warm. Then the tiny grains of the sand warmed their soft sand warmed their toes, their small toes. Okay, circle which one is sandy, warm, tiny, bare, soft, small. I repeat once again this paragraph. Listen all of you. The children worked on the sandy beach. The warm sand felt good beneath their bare feet. The tiny grains of the soft sand warmed their small toes. Okay, circle first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Sandy, warm, bare, soft, tiny, small. Okay, then page number 47. Read the sentences, then tick the adjectives. First read the sentence and tick the adjectives. It is a cold day today. Answer is cold. Tick cold. Then the house has a red roof. Red. Tick. My doll has curly hair. Curly hair. Curly. Grandma bought some juicy mangoes. Answer is juicy. Then a camel has a long neck. Answer is long. Tick it long. See? Okay? Then next one. Read the sentences. This mango is sour. These mangoes are sweet. Okay, read these sentences. First one, this, these, that, those. See the sentence. This mango is sour. This. Okay, then these mangoes are sweet. These, this and these. Then that sweater is red. That. Then those coats are blue. It is those. This, these, that, those. Understand all of you? Okay. This, that, these and those two are adjectives. This, that, these and those two are adjectives. We use this, that for nouns which mean one. We use these and those for rooms which mean more than one. Okay, understand all of you? This, that, these and those two are adjectives. We use this and that for nouns which mean one. Okay, then we use these and those for nouns which mean more than one. Okay. Then see, use this or these with these words. Use this or these with these words. Okay, first one, these bags, these. Then second, this cup. Third, these swans. Four, these flowers. Fifth, this monkey. See, this, these, this, these, this. Then six, this purse. Seven, this picture. Eight, these people. Nine, this dish. 10, these children. This, these. Okay? Then rewrite these sentences using this or that. Rewrite these sentences using this or that. This pear is sweet. That pear is sweet. This, that. This tree is big. That tree is big. This, that. That flower is beautiful. Answer is, this flower is beautiful. That, this. This boy is helpful. Answer is, that boy is helpful. Answer is, that, this, that. Okay. Then the last exercise for this lesson. J. Rewrite the sentences using this or those. Rewrite the sentence using this or those. C. This child is in the bus. Answer is, these children are in the bus. Will you have to change the nouns to their plural forms? Remember, see, rewrite the sentences using this or those. This or those you can use. Then you will have to change the nouns to their plural forms. Change the nouns for the plural forms. Second one, can that baby crawl? Can those babies crawl? Okay. Then 3. Vani likes this flower. Answer is, Vani likes those flowers. Vani likes those flowers. Then 4. Can you see that duck in the pot? Answer is, can you see those ducks in the pot? And I repeat the last one. Can you see that duck in the pond? Answer is, can you see those ducks in the pond? Okay? Listen, all of you take your English language copy. First write down the definition of adjectives with the example what I given. Then do the book exercise, full exercise you have to write in your book. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.